welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I have a special video coming to you. Many of you know my dear friend Barb, Barbara Timmerman. She's the content creator from the channel Take Control Beauty. And we are very good friends, and I don't have to tell you, everybody loves Barb. She is just one of the kindest people I know. And she's funny too. And we get along so great. Well, unfortunately, a while back, Barb was diagnosed with breast cancer. And it apparently had metastasized to her spine and, her lymph nodes. So she needed a lot of medical treatment. And just to give you a little update, I know she's had 2 rounds of radiation now. She completed a round when she was in the hospital, and then she came home, and then she had to go back for another round of radiation in another portion of her spine. She goes for regular infusions at the hospital, and she's always having this test or that test. And I don't have to tell you, if you're dealing with an illness like that, very, very expensive. And it's so sad that people can't even concentrate on their health and getting better when they have to worry about all these medical bills that they have to pay. So Barb and her husband Denny, and Denny's had some health issues himself. They're both living on their Social Security. They don't have any pension, and with all these bills piling up, it's been tough. So a while back, I organized a GoFundMe for Barb, and we have been very fortunate. She's reached the halfway point of what our goal was, and she is just so thankful to all of you. You can't even imagine. She's been able to start paying some of these bills as they're coming in, and it's taken a big load off her, really, and her husband. But you know how GoFundMes go. They reach a certain point, and then if you don't get them out there and let people know that the GoFundMe is still there, the donations stop. So I was on vacation about a week ago. And when I got home, I had a phone call from Kathleen. And Kathleen is the content creator from the channel Design and Lifestyle. And she has a wonderful channel. She has such a, such a knack for decorating. And her decorations are beautiful. And I've been following Kathleen for quite a while now. And speaking about people's character, besides being kind, Kathleen is probably one of the most generous people I know. In fact, a couple of years ago, I won a few giveaways from Kathleen, and when I got them, I was like, oh my goodness, one of them was just chock full of so much wonderful high-end makeup. I just couldn't believe it. So that's one of Kathleen's, she's got a big heart, and she's very, very generous. So when I got home from vacation, I called Kathleen, and she had an idea. And she said, I was thinking. She said, why don't I offer, let's say, a prize? And if someone starts now, this would be as of today, when we're putting the video up, it doesn't have anything to do with anyone that donated previous to today. She said, if they donate $5, they'll get 1 entry into the giveaway. And she said, then we can do like if they, let's say they donate $20, they'll get 5 entries into the giveaway. And she said, we'll give it about a month before we pull the winner. And she said, I'll take care of purchasing the giveaway. And she said, any money we raise, Kathleen, will match that to the GoFundMe. So I thought it was a really good idea. And then we were trying to think of what she could purchase to make the prize. So let me explain to you how this is going to work. It's just something kind we want to do to help raise some more money for Barb. So the way it's going to work is I'm going to put the link to Kathleen's channel, Design and Entertainment, down below in my description box. You can head on over to Kathleen's channel and she will explain to you also what she's doing. And what we're planning on doing is the prize will be a beautiful Cuisinart stand mixer, not a hand mixer, a stand mixer. Because we know there's a lot of people that would love them, but they're honestly very expensive. And this prize is worth over $300. And once she has the winner, she will order it and have it shipped directly to the winner's house. So what you'll do is you will go over to Kathleen's channel and you can put a comment there saying, I'd like to be part of the entry to win the mixer, and I have donated to the GoFundMe. You don't have to put the amount on there if you don't want. So Kathleen is in charge of purchasing, and that's through her generosity, the mixer, and she will be in charge of having it shipped directly to the winner's home. So the winner will have to supply Kathleen with their address, and it can't be a P.O. box. And you have to be 18 years of age or over. And we thought it would be a really nice thing to do. It would be a little bit of an incentive to raise some more money for Barb in her GoFundMe. And at the same time, somebody would be eligible for even a $5 donation to the GoFundMe to win a really nice, substantial prize. So this is going to start today. It will start. Today is August 27th. So anybody that donated prior to Sunday, August 27th, will not be in the giveaway unless you want to donate an additional amount starting today, August 27th. And we're going to run this through the end of September, September 26th. This will give us about a month for people to take their time and see if we get donations in. So we thought this would be a great way to help one of our YouTube family members. Now Barb hasn't been able to post any videos on her channel. You could imagine she has her hands full taking care of herself. And her husband Denny has been a wonder. But Barb, when she's able, she will once in a while try to put a little update on her community page. So you can go over there and check out her community page and see if she's put anything on there. So in my description box, I will put the link to Kathleen's channel, and I will also put the link to the GoFundMe. And like I said, just head on over to Kathleen's channel, Design and Entertainment, make a comment that you have donated to the GoFundMe and you'd like to enter the giveaway. She's in charge of that end of it. I will be in charge of tracking everyone that went over to Kathleen's channel, posted a comment, and donated to the GoFundMe. So I hope that's clear. Kathleen just put up a video now, the same time as me, so you can go over there and you can hear what Kathleen has to say. I mean, for any of you that know Barb, and I know many of you do, you all love her. I mean, you really do. And it's interesting because I guess it was maybe a week before Barb was diagnosed with her breast cancer, and it's stage 4 breast cancer. One of her videos for the first time went viral, And we talk all the time. She's a good friend. And I can't tell you how excited she was. I mean, that's a big deal to have a video go viral. And then the excitement wore off soon when a week later she got this diagnosis. So she hasn't been able to post anything. If and when she comes back to YouTube, she'll let you know. But for now, you can, get an update on my channel once in a while, and you can go on her community page. So I know that was a mouthful, but I think it's wonderful that Kathleen wants to do this. I mean, this is a really nice gift you can win. And like I said, you can donate any amount you want. But even if you donate $5, that gives you an entry into the giveaway. So if you have any questions, you can contact me in the comments, or you can contact Kathleen, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. But for now, Barb is tough. She's a tough cookie, and she's a fighter. And she's doing good. I mean, each day is different. One day is good, the next day is not so good. She's still dealing with a lot of back pain, but she's a fighter. So all I can say is thank you all to those who are able to help Barb out. And if you're not, that's fine. We understand that too. So thank you for listening. Thank you for caring about Barb. I love you all, and I will see you again very soon. So remember, I will put it in the video. The date begins tomorrow, Sunday, August 27th, and the closing date is September 26th, and that's when the winner will be picked. The generosity of Kathleen. So, okay, I think that's it for now. So give yourself a shot at winning that mixer, and at the same time, help Barb with all her bills. Okay? So, love you all. See you soon. Toodles!